how to block someone on Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can block someone on Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually block someone on Discord, all you have to do is open the Discord application and make sure that you're signed in. So let's say you are in a particular server over here and then you see a certain person that maybe you don't want and then you want to block that. So you can go ahead and open that person, and then after this you can see all these sorts of options where you can just tap this little three dots option here and then choose the option from the bottom known as block, as you can find here. Once you tap on block, that particular person will get successfully blocked. To unblock it, tap the three dots option and select unblock as well. This way you'll be able to block someone on Discord. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.